Hello, my name is Manuel and I'm going to present Unit 7 Atmosphere. The hydrosphere. All water on Earth makes up of the hydrosphere. Water in liquid forms covers most of the Earth's surface. Water in solid from snow and ice is found in the polar region. Water vapor, a gas, is found in the atmosphere. The water cycle. The water cycle is the constant circulation of water between the sea, the atmosphere, and land. Liquid water in the sea, rivers, and lakes evaporates because of heat of sun. Water vapor rises and condenses into drops of water. Water falls from clouds as rain. Precipitation is if it's very cold, water solidifies and falls snow. Water flows over the land and filters into it from rivers and lakes. The movement of water. Waves are the rise and fall of the water surface. Tides are the rise and fall of the sea level twice a day. Ocean currents are the movement of large masses of ocean water in the same direction. I hope you understand and you like it. Bye bye!